Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to expand images on Weebly. If you're looking to make your images larger and more prominent on your website, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to resize them with just a few clicks. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites and settings. Now, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it to reveal more options, and directly under it, you'll find Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to proceed to the next step. This is where you'll access the editing tools for your Weebly websites. A list of your websites will appear on the screen. Choose the specific website you want to edit by selecting it from the list. Once you've made your selection, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click on this button to enter the editor page for your chosen website. You're now in the editor page, which is the main workspace where you can make changes to your site's design and content. Here, you need to find the image that you want to expand. Scroll through your page until you locate the specific image you're looking to resize. Once you've found the image, simply place your cursor directly over it. When you do this, you'll notice a blue box appear in the lower right corner of the image. This blue box is the resizing handle, and it's the key tool for expanding your image. Position your cursor right on that blue box. Now, click and hold the blue box with your cursor, then drag it outward in the direction you want to expand the image. As you drag, you'll see the image grow larger in real time, allowing you to adjust it to your preferred size. You can expand it horizontally, vertically, or proportionally, depending on how you drag the handle. And there you have it. You've successfully expanded your image on Weebly, making it more visible and impactful on your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.